Dampen the mop pad and wring out excess water. Open the water tank lid, fill the tank with water, then securely close the lid. Slide the pad all the way into the slot of the water tank until it is securely in place. Align the mopping module as indicated by the arrow, then slide it into the back of the robot until it clicks into place.
The water compartment has been installed.
Use the app to adjust the water flow as required. Press the two side clips inwards and slide the water tank backwards to separate it from the robot.
The water tank has been removed.